Hello, everyone. My name's Dylan, and I'm a 20-year-old man that is originally from Colorado who now lives in Florida. I worked with attorney Jessica Lasky on my case from fall of 2020 to the summer of 2021. I'm a respiratory therapist. I'm married. I have two dogs, and I'll soon be a father. All of this I have because of my experience with Jess and the work that she did for me. In summer of 2018, I started dating a woman who eventually cheated on me, which led to our breakup. Despite this, I remained in her life hoping to help her. In 2019, she repeatedly and falsely accused me of rape and domestic violence, frequently threatening me, and I sought police assistance, but they didn't take the threats or evidence seriously, which resulted in charges against me at the final time that I was with her. After a physical assault by her, I hired a lawyer that I eventually lost confidence in. That is when I found Jessica Lasky. Jessica stood out for her empathy and her dedication, speaking with me for over an hour before being hired. She believed in my case and understood its impact on my medical career. Jessica's support and reassurance was absolutely pivotal for me, and I could not have done it without her because I was in a dark place after 2 years of torment because of the court process and its resulting consequences. Jessica's efforts led to several court victories and ultimately a deferred sentence and an Alford plea for a misdemeanor. Jessica's impactful strategic decisions and thinking, including putting me on the stand to show my genuine emotions, played a crucial role in our success. I was sentenced to 2 years of a supervised probation with no minimum period, allowing for early completion. Throughout the ordeal, my false accuser tried to rekindle our relationship and eventually admitted to lying and being the aggressor. And my probation officer and DV program counselors, along with Jessica, helped me move to Florida, where I was almost immediately released and completed my sentence very quickly. But Jessica's dedication didn't stop there. When the prosecutor objected to my early release, she ensured the plea agreement was honored multiple times. Her unwavering belief in me, her emotional support, and her legal expertise were instrumental in my journey and are why I get to do what I get to do today. Because of Jessica, I was able to return to college and graduate summa cum laude from a respiratory therapy program. I got married right after graduation, and my wife and I are planning on our first child within the next couple years, and if I have a girl, she will be named after Jessica, after the woman that gave me my life back and the woman to whom my child's existence is owed. My grandmother, who was one of the ones that funded my defense, got to see me propose to my wife with the ring that her grandfather proposed to her with in 1949, a proposal that would not have happened if I were falsely imprisoned. Then I got to say goodbye in person when she passed away, instead of a video call like I would have had to do if I was calling from a jail or a prison. I got to move across the country and start a new life in Florida, something that I never thought possible while my case was going on. And I now have been a part of 16 deliveries of healthy babies, 27 successful resuscitation attempts, and I've had the privilege of serving thousands of patients and since getting to return to the medicine because of Jessica. She was much more than just an attorney to me. She was a pillar of support who gave me hope and a new lease on life, and I would count her as a personal friend. My gratitude for Jessica's role in my life is immense, beyond words. I would recommend her to anyone dealing with a criminal or family law matter 100 billion%.